has to plant the bomb.
The point of the T side. Oh, they win the round.
God damn, that was we have
I meant he was probably going to plant, you fucking idiots. God damn.
Yeah, he's CT.
No!
Did you get it?
Flashing CT. Oh, Brady.
One cat.
Two cat, two cat, two cat. Where do you go?
Okay. I hit him for
Guy's dead with his scout.
You could also pistol him.
No, 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 no. Don't do that right. Oh, I hit him! Lit 90 underpass. Dude, if I would have killed him.
We're gonna double your kill count. Yeah, double your kill count this round, Letty.
I can only fucking wish, dog.
Don't even sweat it, bro.
When you wish upon a
It's been a rough half for me. I've been getting some bad fucking situations.
Hey,
He's
hey.
CT.
No, he's not.
Did you see same firebox? Oh!
Hi, how are you?
Fucking told you. You made me second guess myself. That's
All
what I
of you
meant
are
to say.
stupid. I hate all of
I
you.
meant to say he's fucking fire, but he's...
Leaving your team, I was like, yeah, you sandwich.
I mean, like, he was there, bro. Like, he died and the other guy peeked.
Well, he has legs.
Fuck off.
Technically lied. Just didn't expect the guy to be fired.
Oh, thanks.
I love how this meme from like 2 days ago.
It's just, yeah. Oh my god.
All that made me think of was Tarkov.
That just made me think of Warzone.
Just made me think of the presidential assassination.
Just made me think you're all fucked up in the head.
Well, his head was pretty,
You want a gun, Lottie?
Sure. No, don't drop him. He said he didn't want you to, remember?
Said I didn't want you to.
No, he'll take a gun from Maru, but not us. Wow.
Because Maru's a fellow bottom fragger.
Racist.
Wow, did we both just say
Yeah.
that?
Didn't mean to drop that.
I'll do it.
Iro guy plays fucking...
Don't do it. Shut up.
Smoke up mid.
Molly
I
B?
just naded myself.
Another smoke B?
But he's just paying these
Oh
guys.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.